So I've made it to my second event of the year, and it's getting off to a slow start. It looks like there's some trouble on the track from the previous event. There's a car stuck out there. But what an interesting day. It's windy, but it's a nice day. Thought it was going to be cold. I can do this. I can do this.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah, rolling up to the frat house and we about to rock it. Get the ladies on the dance floor, about to drop it. Once the music starts, we ain't never gonna stop it. Listen real close, man, all you hear is gossip. All you hear is gossip. Man, all I hear is gossip. Yeah, let's go. Shit's talking gossip. Yo, I heard that Trevor couldn't fit into a Magnum. Got Becky pregnant cause it broke during action. Dropping out now was a football captain. Working at Subway, what the fuck happened? Annie in a push-up bra looking fantastic. Heard they're both fake, man, chest full of plastic. Always seeing trouble for a lack of wear fabric. Got the boys staring at a schoolgirl caption. Stacy's like a tutor cause she loves giving brain. Timmy's at the hung with his third leg bang. Joe's an alcoholic addicted to Bombay. Wait, Kelly gave Dave an STD in 9th grade. Katie likes to dance and they say her ass will not quit. Once you get her going, man, I heard that she can't stop it. Ricky hit it from the back, said he kinda pop quick. This is all the shit I hear, man, call it gossip. That's right, call it gossip. I hear these people fucking talking, man, all I hear is gossip. Damn shit is fucking gossip. Yeah, let's go, let's go, let's go. Gossip. Jason's falling down after drinking several Mickeys. Kevin's got a whole neck full of Jenny's hickeys. What's in all her hair and why is it so sticky? Wait, they all hooked up, David, Tess, and Nikki. Make a small tag girl, welcome to the big city. She a nice country girl and she looking real pretty. Get her to the bedroom to get busy. Yeah, little did you know, damn, this girl's filthy. Yeah, we're getting hella fucked up, talking about who knows what. Talking shit and getting lit while filling up my bread cup. Jackie's got a nice one, heard she likes to try stuff. Telling lies to pass the time, we're never gonna shut up. And he's still a virgin even though he says he lost it. David says he wants a threesome with 2 hot chicks. Kelly says she's bad, if he wants it then he got it. This is all the shit I hear, man, call it gossip. Man, I hear the gossip. Okay, yeah, all you hear is gossip. Yeah, gossip. Yeah, let's go, let's go. Yo, Annie in the basement, hooking up with Jason. Always has another guy in the rotation. All this temptation, bed's never vacant. Now I hear the Mormons are in an engagement. This shit is crazy, heard about Daisy. Lost 50 pounds, now she's looking amazing. Go baby, double D's me. Flashing all the boys, now she got them all chasing. You got Jessica, she looking real buzzed. Hooking up in the back of her boy's truck. You got Erica, she looking real drunk. Straight A student, now she looking starstruck. This the last verse, but you know we'll never stop it. Love it too much, man, always wanna talk shit. Ladies all around, keep it going, they will not quit. This is all the shit I hear, man, call it gossip. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, rolling up to the frat house and we about to rock it. Get them ladies on the dance floor, about to drop it. Once the music starts, we ain't never gonna stop it. Listen real close, man, all you hear is gossip. All you hear is gossip. Man, all I hear is gossip. Yeah, let's go. Shit's talking gossip. Yo, I heard that Trevor couldn't fit into a Magnum. Got Becky pregnant cause it broke during action. Dropping out now was a football captain. Working at Subway, what the fuck happened? Annie in a push-up bra stuff. Telling lies to pass the time, we're never gonna shut up. Eddie's still a virgin even though he says he lost it. David says he wants a threesome with 2 hot chicks. Kelly says she's down, if he wants it then he got it. This is all the shit I hear, man, call it gossip. Man, I hear the gossip. Okay, yeah, all you hear is gossip. Yeah, gossip. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Yo, Randy in the basement, hooking up with Jason. Always has another guy in the rotation. All this temptation, best never vacant. Now I hear the Mormons are in an engagement. This shit's crazy, heard about Daisy. Lost 50 gas, now she's looking amazing. Oh baby, double D's me flashing all the boys, now she got them all chasing. You got Jessica, she looking real buzzed, hooking up in the back of her boy's truck. You got Erica, she looking real drunk. Straight A student, now she looking starstruck. It's the last verse, but you know we'll never stop it. Love you too much, man, always wanna talk shit. Ladies all around, keep it going, they will not quit. This is all the shit I hear, man, call it gossip.